Hi.
How do you feel?
Fresh.
Refreshing or fresh?
Both.
It's Tuesday today, so it's like one day from Friday, and it's Friday, so we're gonna be like more relaxed. Renata is 12 years in marketing. You have been quite excellent in this field. I will start with tell us more about yourself.
Well, I'm a mother of 2 children, and I'm very proud of that. I am a master in e-business management, so that is also an accomplishment I'm proud of. I have been in the IT industry for over 9 years, almost 10. I have worked in other industries as well, but IT is my first love, let's say. Ever since I was little, I always imagined myself working in a big company. I never thought I would find that in my own hometown, and I'm very proud that I have.
That is a good combination. Sorry to interrupt, but that is the most beautiful combination. Like to have to chase a career, like in Macedonia, but in everything. Like everybody's dream is like to go in the big city, and to have your career in your town, like it's like dream come true. Maybe yeah.
Yeah, definitely. I have to say, my husband wanted us to come back to live in our hometown. I didn't.
Really?
Back in the day, no. I always wanted to stay in the capital.
Your husband is the guilty one.
Yes, and I'm thankful from this point of view because having 2 children alone in the capital can be exhausting. So thank God we made that decision. I never thought that I would be able to have a career in my hometown. That was the main reason I didn't want to come back.
Oh my God.
But 10 years fast forward, look at me.
Let's talk about more your experience. You tell us that you have been content writer. Yeah, she's excellent. Yeah, I must say, like she's the most excellent person in content writing that I ever met. So like she's an expert about that. You have been in banking, and then you have been in IT. Yep. Tell us more about that story.
Well, my first job was a content writer it was a remote job. Imagine that, 12 years ago, a remote job. But actually I couldn't grasp on the concept because I was working from home, didn't have any colleagues around, and 12 years ago, well, work from home was pretty much not that popular in our country, so I kind of felt like depressing. And the logical choice was banking, after finishing Faculty of Economy, even though my college degree was not finance. Economic faculty, banking, you see people dressed nicely working in a bank, so you think that's the dream.
Everybody knows you because, let's say, everybody is going to the bank.
Oh, that's too. And in my hometown back then, I must say that was one of the best jobs you could find, decent salary.
Secure,
Yeah, security, stability, yes. So I started working in a bank, but 3 months later, I knew that I could not handle that for a lifetime. I think it's very sad to work a job that you don't like because you spend 8 hours at least a day, and working something you don't like, it's just sad. Yeah. So I couldn't take that, and I started looking for an alternative, and then I found Interworks at the time, and I was like, what is this? They had a website, one-page website at the time. That was a deliberate strategy of the company. They didn't want publicity or that much promotion, so I don't even know how I found it, if you ask me, but I just did. And I was like, they don't have a nice website. I can send my CV so I can help them because I had experience with content writing, search engine optimization and stuff. And I just got an email back, hey, you can come to an interview, and I was like, okay, I will go.
Let's try, yeah.
Yes, and I went to the old building of Interworks. I was like, what is this? This is an old building. It's an IT company. And it was like strange but interesting. Leaving a bank, a secure bank for a job in IT was not that popular.
Pretty much risky.
Yes.
At that time.
At the time, definitely. For me also. I was definitely not certain of where I was going or what I was putting myself into. But almost 10 years forward, I can say I made the perfect choice.
Yeah, of course. You have 2 children. You brought those 2 children in the world while working in the same company, in IWU Connect. Tell us more about your experience as a mother in the workplace. What has been your biggest challenge, and how did you overcome it? Like, you have 2 children. I know. I have 2 children now, and I know the
now you know.
Yeah, I know. And like you need to manage the children in your private life to help them, like to raise your child in a certain way, and you need to do the best at your job. How did you handle it?
I'm by nature, I'm a pretty ambitious person, and I cannot just sit around like that. So having my first child was challenging by itself. You know, you're not ready at all. I wasn't. And I thought, I thought that bringing the child to the world would be the hardest thing to do. Yeah, right? Yeah. So after that reality stroke, I must say it is challenging. I mean, for everyone, especially for mothers. I don't want this to sound cliche, but I think it really is, because children really need their mother, especially when they're younger. And I must say it's challenging. I struggle to spend time with them. I had a hard time trying to understand that I may not be able to achieve all of my career goals and all of my motherhood goals at the same time. So I needed 2 years. Yeah, I needed 2 years to figure that out and to say, yeah, it's okay. These 2 years, you will be dedicated to your children more. And maybe you will not have the same energy in your job like you did before, because it's normal. You cannot, otherwise you will need to not sleep at all, and you don't sleep with children. Yes.
When you come in the job without focus, it's like, it's exhausting.
Yes, and I kind of figured out that I will do my best like I did at my job, but maybe I will pause some of the priorities I thought I had to make in those 2 years. And coming in peace with that was a relief, because I thought that I can do everything. You cannot. But it's just 2 years. It's not too much. It's 2 years, and you will do your job the best that you can, but maybe you will pause some things, and there will be time. You will make everything.
And you need to make a priorities.
Yes, sometimes priorities change, and it's normal, because thank God I work in a company that supported that. I did not do low on my job, but maybe I had some expectations I could have managed faster if I wasn't a mother. But changing my motherhood experience, no, never. I think that's the most important thing in the world. So combining that is hard, but I think it's doable.
Čekaj malo. Много сте гласни. Так. Tell me more about, like you mentioned it, the culture, the in the IW Connect, like they helped you through this period. They have understanding about that you are a mother and that you have like work responsibility. How did your company culture support your experience as a mother and as a female employee at that time? But in this time also, it's taboo that you cannot be a mother and you cannot be a career chaser. So tell me more about how did you manage in a way of experience through the company culture?
Well, I have to say again, thank God I work in IT and in IW Connect, to be more specific, because my manager is very understanding, and my colleagues as well. I have never faced a day that I have a sick child and I have to come, or fearing that I might lose my job because I'm pregnant or I have children. I think that's a blessing, because I have been working from home for 2 years straight. No one told me anything. My job didn't suffer at all, but I had all the understanding. And my manager never told me, you must come to your job, or otherwise you will get fired. I think that's very important. And my colleagues, female and male, there are no differences at IW Connect, thank God, for male and female. But they all have a certain understanding, they've offered to help me, because, they see me like my child is sick for a week. And my colleagues, they might say, I can help you with this or with that. It's like a balance. I also try to balance. Our work is flexible. So if I can't do it in the morning, I will do it in the afternoon, which is great. No one just is asking me, it's 3 o'clock, is this ready? No, it should be ready by Friday. Whenever you can do it.
Yeah, understanding, sorry to interrupt, but the most important thing is support from the team, yeah?
Yes.
Because in every daily job, like if you don't succeed to do something, but if you have like a deadline, if you don't have a team to back up you, it's awful. But yeah, as you mentioned, your team is supporting you as well. So I think that is also crucial for the job.
I have to thank them for that, all of them, especially my colleague, which was my substitute when I was on motherhood leave. And She really took on the challenge, and the work didn't suffer. And afterwards, we all support each other. The culture is like that. If someone cannot do something, the other one will. The work will never suffer. Yeah. So the teams are balancing them among themselves, which I think is great. Having someone to rely on is the most important thing for a job. If I don't do it, I know that someone else will, and it will be with the same quality.
Let's talk about what ways does the company provide opportunities for the female employees to grow and advance in their careers? Like, what is the path? How they support you? In which way?
Well, I must say that there are no differences between men and women at IWConnect. The only way to success is work and, of course, advancing yourself, growing. I learn every day, like all of us probably in this area especially. And I think if you want to be successful, you have to. New platforms arise every day. So if you learn, if you work hard, you will get all the support you need from the company. And being a mother in the process might, slow you down a little because you have some other priorities, but you will never feel backed out. I had the utmost support when I was on my parental leave. The company did not let me feel like I was on the leave. No, I came back, everything was like normal, my progress was going. So it's very, very nice to work for a company that supports mothers, no matter if they are present on the job or they're not. They just know that you're a great worker and they support you all the way through it.
We talked about marketing, IT, we talk about challenging, hard things, easy things, 2 children, motherhood and everything. But tell me more about marketing in IT. How does it start? I think that 10 years before, it was a taboo theme to talk about marketing in IT. Like, everybody's like, okay, IT is hardworking, hard software, hardware, everything like that. But what was 10 years ago and how it is now?
I had to say that I was the first non-IT employee in IWConnect or Interworks at the time. So people were like, are you an alien? Why are you here? Why are we going to pay her? What is she going to do? Like, we hired her for what? And, it was very hard to explain, because the company had a strategy, as I mentioned, deliberately, not to promote itself that much. And, all of a sudden, the strategy changed, and the goal was to promote the company locally and globally. And it was a shift. And, people are always reluctant to change, and they find it hard to accept. But I have to say, 10 years later, our marketing team is sort of complete, and our marketing in IT and in our company is mature. So I believe that all people understand that it's important, very important. You cannot have anything without marketing. Like they say, not investing in marketing is like you want to stop the clock so the time doesn't pass. That's impossible. So not only that did we manage to even provide different divisions in our marketing team. So we have a division devoted to employer branding. We have a division devoted to events, a division devoted to B2B marketing. As the market evolved, we evolved as a company and our sector evolved. And it's great to see that all our employees are very supportive, and I want to thank them for that. They all know the importance of marketing, because Coca-Cola is not a stupid company that is investing millions of dollars still, even if it's in the face of reminding, because everyone knows Coca-Cola. But you have to be present all the time if you want people to remember you. So I believe that's important for any company. Working in IT, in marketing, might be a bit more challenging because...
Why?
Well, because, developers think that they should do their thing, which, of course, they are the main source of revenue, of course. Without their job, we wouldn't have our job. But the important thing here is that a client always wants to work with a company they know. An employee always wants to work at a company he or she knows. It's like back in the day, we had a lot of IT companies worldwide, Microsoft. Does anyone not know Microsoft or Google? Hello, it's like, I think that IWConnect is that now in our country. Everyone knows IWUconnect, especially.
IWUconnect is the biggest company, Macedonian company.
We worked hard on building that image, and I think building a brand from scratch. Also, we had a rebranding phase, which was very challenging for our team, but it was successful, and we are all, I think, very proud of that. But I think the main idea behind all those things is a lot of effort, a lot of work, and a lot of support from all the employees, the management team, HR, sales, and everything. It's like everyone needs to collaborate if you want to have a successful marketing.
You mentioned like division, B2B, employer branding, event management, and maybe social media brand awareness. Can you tell me more about what is the difference between employer branding and social media brand awareness and B2B? What are the difference between them?
Well, basically, business to business, as the name says, is more focused on providing content, events, or anything related to clients. You cannot have a business without clients. So, of course, that's very important. Like having blogs, case studies, and the whole branding related, it focuses around clients. So it's the brand you build for clients, offering the solutions, promoting the business use cases you have solved. You know, we have worked in many industries like telecommunication, retail, and for famous brands. So if you don't say that, who will know? Who will come? You know, saying that you have worked for a huge retail company can be very, very good marketing, and a client that trusts you will come back to you. We also have a lot of long-term clients, which tells about the quality of our work. But if you don't promote it, who will know?
Of course.
So basically, in a nutshell, I think that's B2B. And it's probably more content related in a way, but also it involves conferences, trade shows, and things like that. It's kind of the bridge between sales, marketing, and management and the clients. I think they all work together to put a content in a, to shape it and promote it in front of clients, so they can trust you and choose you as a partner. Employer branding, on the other hand, personally, I work in employer branding, and I find it more interesting. Also challenging. They're both very challenging in a way. Mm-hmm. Everything is challenging, but it's more appealing to me. Mm-hmm. That is more, if you want to put it simple, it's like building the brand of your company and making it a desirable place to work for. It's a relatively new concept in Macedonia. Employer branding, what is that? People tend to mix it with HR. Yes, HR is also involved in this phase, but marketing is involved in the content creation, promotion of employees through content, creating events for employees.
Satisfaction maybe, yeah?
Employee satisfaction, of course. Employee, not promotion, but putting employees first, or praising employees, finding ways to promote them online, offline, and writing content about that, being present in job fairs, let's say, local conferences, peer tax, corporate social responsibility, in a way that is both for B2B and employer branding, but locally it's very important for making your company popular. We had the action Plant a Tree and Zasadi drvo, daj svoj pridones in Macedonian. And that was one of our most successful strategies, which I think made everyone know about IWUconnect. It was a great action for making our city more less air polluted, and also it helped us promote ourselves as a company. I think that a lot of effort is put in both of them, but if you want to have the complete package, you need to invest in both of them, for sure.
Yeah. One of the core is unconditional contribution. IWUconnect work a lot on that field. The newest one was the basketball field, which we renovate in Bitola, which was great. The children, about the sport, raising awareness about sport and about childhood. In these days, it's hard to do that.
To take them off their phones.
Yeah. Listen, the phones, not just for the children, it's for the grown-ups also the challenging. Every single guy is like...
Tell me about it.
Tell me more. You tell me more about it. You need, like, as marketing, you need to be present in the social media. You need to check up what is new on LinkedIn, on Instagram, on Facebook. Like, the most challenging is when we work through the day. Colleagues just come and say like, "Oh, when I come, you're always on Instagram, on Facebook," and when I say it's my job, there's like, ha ha ha, yeah, it is. But really, in a manner of working, that's our job in marketing, just to be aware what is happening in the IT world, world in marketing. What are the new trends? How hard it is? How hard it is to be in the 3 steps away if you about your competition, and tell me more about. What was your biggest challenge in this work?
My biggest challenge, there were many challenges. My biggest challenge was and is, on a personal level, is to separate my job from my private life. Because as you mentioned, I'm always on the phone, always in the look for what's happening, what's new. Because, if you want to stay on top, you have to follow the trends, read, and just find ways to be different, unique, think of something new. And if you love your job, like I do, it's very hard. So that's still a challenge. And now I have a rule, 2 hours in the afternoon when I come home, no phone. Because otherwise I was like, obsessed.
That is the biggest challenge,
yes.
Especially for the female.
Yes.
Because like you're more about fashion in Instagram, about
it's another thing.
it's another, but it's challenging for female.
We also have a lot of groups with friends, Viber groups. What's new, what's happening. That's another part of life you still need managing, because I have a lot of friends and I don't want to, distance myself from them. And that's also time consuming, because, you have to text back, okay, I'm nice, what's happening, let's go out or whatever. So it's one of the biggest challenges I'm facing because it's not about only juggling to work hard, it's also about being a present mother when you're at home, which I find very hard sometimes, because, someone will ping me on Skype. It's not like we have official hours, sometimes something might occur, especially in marketing. You will post something, maybe, and you will see that someone might react in a way, Millions of people, millions of stories, millions of comments. Sometimes, a lot of times, it's worthless, the comment, but you must read it, because sometimes it might actually be something you need to act upon. I laugh a lot because in marketing, everyone knows how to do your job better. And we always receive comments. Thank you for the constructive comments. But many times, that's also challenging. For me especially, I had a lot of problem 3 years ago to understand that I don't always have to respond immediately to anyone asking me questions, because we are marketing, we're like a supportive industry. We're not the core of the business. And you're like feeling you have to answer to everyone that asks immediately, pay them attention. And it's challenging, time consuming and stressful.
But you need to take care about what will you say, because it matters.
Of course.
If it's from marketing, it cares. What do you say? How do you say it? What do you think about it? Every opinion that you share on the social media nowadays, it matters. If you make one mistake, it's a big one. If you have one opportunity, you need to do
grasp
it. To grasp it. Your biggest success, but what is your biggest mistake? Just one. In these 10 years, like 12 years of working, 9 years in IW Connect, what was your biggest mistake that you learn about something?
I think that we make mistakes every day.
Of course, yeah.
It's the people that work make mistakes. That's something I strongly believe in. My biggest mistake, I think, was believing that I should never make a mistake. And I had a period where I was obsessed over making a mistake, which even made me make more mistakes. When you're obsessed with making mistakes, we had a turbulent period when I came back from my first maternity leave. There were a lot of changes in our department, and I had a challenge to, grasp on the change. And I had all the support, but, it was in my head that I had to make things faster. And I had to, make up for the time I wasn't here. It was all in my head, which kind of made me make mistakes, rush things. And then I said, whoa, wait, you're not doing this. Take 2 steps back, figure it out. And I did. And I figured out that mistakes are normal if you only learn from them. Of course, we had, I remember we had a lot of work, and I was sending a logo to print on some jerseys. It was the wrong one. It was, everything turned out, no, my manager was totally supportive. We didn't do anything, it didn't have any consequences. But for me personally, it was like, oh my God, what did I do? And it was all basically because I was over-obsessing about making mistakes until I realized that they are a normal part of work. The more you work, the more you will make a mistake. But as long as you learn from your mistakes, try to stay focused and not obsess over it, you will evolve. And it was a great way to grow and to learn that it's just normal. Of course, you need to make sure the mistake is not very like the movie Pepsi, Where Is My Jet? Yeah. Not that kind of a mistake, but mistakes are acceptable.
The series,
yeah, you must watch that, especially if you're in marketing.
If you're marketing,
mistakes are acceptable, and also we had that rule in the bank, which I think that it's a great rule to check things before you put them online. 4I rule, and I started to implement that ever since. 4I rule, if I see it and you see it. 6I rule even better, but not always the case, especially for minor things. But the 4I rule, I think it's the best, and it works.
During our talk, during our interview, like you mentioned, maybe a couple of times, you have support from your manager.
Yeah.
I have support from our manager. How hard? I cannot think about it. How hard is to employees who had no support from the manager? It's so crucial just to have not just support, understanding about our mistake, about your situation, like you are a mother to 2 children. You need to be present at home, as you said, you're present at home and present at work. But what do you think? Is it hard from the managers to do that, to be understandable about the employees, or it's the culture?
I think our culture is supportive, and it's just a normal way of doing things. I've never had the problem of not being supported in that way, or anyone I know in the company. I never missed a show of my son, because I have to be at work, which is great. A lot of people can't even leave work to go to their show.
And that is a problem nowadays in some company. You cannot leave.
Yes, or take a sick day. I know people that were that got fired because their children were sick for 2 weeks. Unfortunately, thank God, I must say, that doesn't happen for us. I don't think it's challenging for our management team because that's our culture. Ambitious family. Yes, we work hard, but we also support each other because what's the point of life if you don't have children?
Yeah. We're gonna say it. You're a mother for 2 children. You have sleepless night. Kids, sometimes they are sick, sometimes they are not. They're exhausting. They're exhausting. You cannot sleep. But you won yearly award of the most positive person in the company. What does it take to stay positive through the day? And you're not sleeping, like you sleep like 3 hours. Now you're at the work, and you need to be positive because everything is about your attitude at the work and how everybody sees you. I'm gonna say it. Everybody looks on marketing, how they react, how they respond, how challenging it is.
Personally, when I had my son, my firstborn, I was like sleep deprived, and I could not handle it. Yes, personally, really? I really like a good night's sleep. I really do. And it was
also.
No, there are my husband, for example, he doesn't mind if he sleeps 3 or 4 hours. I actually really do. And I had a hard time accepting that you will be sleepless for the next 10 years. And it was challenging at first. I struggled. I cannot say I didn't. I would lie. If I say, okay, it was perfect. No, I had a period of time for 5-6 months of getting in the habit of it. But I thought to myself, look, the time is going to pass, whether you like it or not. You can be positive about it and think of the best ways, Just get up in the morning and say, thank you, God, I have a son, I have a husband, I have work. and just be positive, or you can wake up and you're like mourn and, oh my God, I have to wake up, I have to go to work, you know? And I think staying positive has really helped me in my life in general, and in my work, in my motherhood and everything, because I practice that with my son as well. You know, he's like crying if he loses at cards. Oh my God, I lose, I don't like this. Okay, but if you have a positive attitude, that happens at work. I don't always get everything, you know. Sometimes we will have a great idea, you know, you think it's the best. You propose it and management's like, not gonna happen. And you all think it through and you're like, yeah, you're right. But I don't take that personally, and I try to get the positive out of it. It's not always easy, but in general, I think I'm a positive person, and I try to remember all our blessings we have, and you know, turn my day even if I'm sad. Of course, I have days when I'm sad.
Of course,
it's not like I'm 24/7 smiling all the time, but I try not to show it, because as you say, marketing, HR, sales, they are building the culture, they're building the brand inside and outside. So it's important to be a positive role model if you can.
Renata, thank you about this interview. I must say I know, because she's my colleague. She's the most positive person that I know, and it's great to work with her. For the last, what can you say to all the mothers who want to be a great mother and to chase a career, to be successful in the careers? What can you tell them and motivate them just to go through all of this?
I would say don't give up, ever. Try hard to find the job that you love, and the rest of it will just fall into place. Try to find the company that will support you, because it's actually very important.
Yeah.
Even if we don't want to admit it, I hate to say that locally, yes, unfortunately, we have a lot of companies that don't take mothers seriously. They even, you know, have like interview questions. Are you planning to have children? Who does that? It's the 21st century. But nowadays, I think there are a lot of companies like IWUconnect, if not, that support mothers. And everyone is trying to, you know, grasp on that trend. I'm glad that we're the early adopters in Macedonia, because we support mothers since we opened up, you know. I've never heard anyone complain about that, because our culture is just supportive.
And we must say we are the first company in Macedonia who has a own kindergarten.
That's another thing.
Yeah.
Oh, that's so
relieving.
Yes, it's so relieving, not having to go through the crowd, commuting to take your child. Is he or she is here right next to you? That's a blessing also. Okay, IWUconnect raised the bars with that, but let's...
a big one.
Yes, but I hope that other companies will follow the example as well, because we had a lot of positive feedback from employees on that. And with 44% women, I'm proud to be part of a company that supports women. And I would say to everyone, I hope that everyone finds an employer like this. And even if you don't, just try to stay positive, focus on your children, focus on your growth. You might not be able to do it all at once, but that's okay. You cannot focus on everything all at once, but do your best and the rest will fall into peace.
Again, Renata, thank you.
Thank you for having me.
Guys, I think this is the most interesting interview that we had about motherhood, so I think that you will get something from Renata which will be most helpful for you. And see you in another episode. Thank you, Renata.
Bye.
Bye.